Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Ali and we are here with, yes, another unboxing. For what we have for today's video, this is the Play by Sephora box for the month of February. And for those of you that don't know about this box, this one here is $10 a month. You are set to get, I think, 5 to 6 deluxe size samples along with a bonus one, usually a perfume, and a little plastic sandwich looking bag. The difference from this one and the other ones is that all the products that we get here are considered to be luxury items. So I don't know if that kind of gives this box a little bit more of a value. But sometimes it can be really skincare heavy. Sometimes it's a nice mix of both makeup and skincare. It's just pretty much a matter of what you prefer the most. So we usually get a little paper giving us information of what we have inside of the box. And they usually have a theme. This one says Beauty Lover's Heart. Oh, the anatomy of a beauty lover's heart, and it's pretty much a heart that's divided into different sections. And then in the back, of course, we have all of the product information that I'm not going to show you because then you guys are going to see everything that we have in here. So then, like I mentioned, this is our little sandwich looking bag. We have all of our products in here, so I'm going to toss the box to the side, and I'm just going to go in to just pretty much start seeing what we have in here. And so we have something here, the very first one from Fresh. This is the Lotus Youth Preserve Moisturizer. I like that this is something else other than their Rose collection because I cannot use those. I usually end up giving them away to my sister. But this is the container for this one here. This one said it was what? The Lotus Youth Preserve Moisturizer. So it's a little tiny sample, of course, like we always get. And this one, yeah, this one seems to be filled to the very tippy top. So that is our first item. Then up next, I'm going to grab, hey, it's missing the lid. Oh, it's right here. This is the Kat Von D setting powder. I've actually received one of these tiny little samples before, and I really liked it. It did a really good job at, obviously setting my makeup, but not giving me such too much of a white cast. So we have another tiny sample here. So I'm excited for this one. Then I'm going to grab this one here. This is the Ghost Oil from Verb. You know what? I've actually tried this oil before. I got a bigger sample. I want to say one of my Allure boxes from I don't know how long ago. But we received probably something bigger than this. I can't say exactly what the size was, but it was bigger than this. This is just a tiny little sample. This is argan plus moringa oil. It is a weightless shine, smooth frizz. It is for all hair types. So this one, what I would normally do is after straightening my hair, I would just grab some of that, rub it between my hands and pretty much just apply it to the ends to kind of give that moisture back to my hair after using so much heat on it. And I can honestly say I really like the way that it looked once I applied the oil. So I really recommend this one here. Let me go back in and grab another one. Ooh, we have something from Clinique. Ooh, Blackhead Solutions. I need that for sure. It says 7-day deep pore cleanse and scrub. I really need to unclog my pores. It's in need of a lot of help. But this is what we have here from Clinique. I've actually never used any of their scrubs, so I'm pretty excited to try this one out. It says here that it has salicylic acid, which is acne medication, and as you guys know, I break out a lot. Some days more than others, but I do break out, so I will definitely be using this one until I finish it. We are down to 2 things. I'm going to grab this one, which I received this is the exact same sample in my Macy's Beauty Box that is already posted. If you guys want to go watch what I got for my Macy's Beauty Box for the month of February, you guys can go and watch that video. But I received the exact same one of these. I did say that I actually like this one here, so it's not a bad thing that I got another one. But I would like to get different things in my boxes, you know. I don't want to keep getting the same thing over and over and over again, because then what's the point of having subscription boxes if all I'm going to get is the exact same thing? But I don't know, that's just me. So we have this from Purity, Made Simple. It is from Philosophy, and it is a 3-in-1 cleanser. It removes makeup. It is gentle enough to use on the eyes. So that's the reason why I really, really like this one. And we are down to the very last item, which is this one here, which is, again, another repeat that I have received in one of my previous boxes. It is actually what I'm wearing on my lips today. Just coincidentally, I am wearing this on my lips right now. I had no idea I was going to get this, and I'm actually wearing this one right now. It is a sheer chapstick looking kind of thing. I don't know if it's necessarily a chapstick. It looks like a chapstick. It looks like a tinted chapstick. So let me see what it says here. Oh, it's actually a lipstick. It just says, with the sheer tint of plum and a moisture-rich formula, this lipstick is sure to be loved at first swipe. But it's pretty much like a chapstick. It just says to use it for extra moisture. So I mean, that to me sounds like a chapstick. So those were all the products from our box. Let me know what you guys think about this box down in the comments below. I think we got some pretty cool stuff. This one, our extra item, was not a perfume, was actually the ghost oil, which, you know, I'm not mad about. I have a ton of those little tiny perfume samples that I mean, I use them, but I have a ton of them. So getting something like this is a good change, because I know I will also use it. But let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. Those were all the items from this box. I will be back really soon with another unboxing, and I hope I will see all of you guys back here next time. Bye.